What's up girls, welcome back. It's me Devika. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this half cut crease eye makeup tutorial. So yes, if you're interested how I created this look, keep on watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. So for my eye base I'm going to use this Cuff and Lashes concealer cover pots in shade number 6 nude. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid using this Provate concealer brush PF01. Make sure you blend the edges as well. And for this look I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. From that I'm going to take first sandalwood shade, and before that I will apply a sellotape and make sure there are no creases on my eyelid before starting any eye makeup. So first I'm going to take my transition shade and blend it above my crease in circular and windshield wiper motion. Next I am taking this henna shade from that same palette and going to blend it above that same shade. Next I am taking this little bit darker shade, cocoa shade, to just define my crease. So I'm going to pack this shade and blend the edges. Next I'm going to just blend the edges in circular motion. Again I'm just packing that same shade just to re-intensify the shade, because जब हम blend करते तो वो light हो जाता है. Then again I'm blending their edges to make sure everything blends seamlessly. Next I am taking this black truffle shade, which is a black shade. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of V like this, and little bit I'm going into my crease as well inside. Okay, थोड़ा सा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. Then I'm going to blend it. Next I'm taking this Garnier micellar water and clean my crease before applying concealer. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर मैं क्रीज को कट कर लूँगी इस तरीके से. एंड द ब्रश आई एम यूजिंग दिस, इट्स फ्रॉम ऑब्वियसली Provate, you know, and this is the best concealer brush, affordable as well. You can get it from Nykaa. So be patient, have some patience while you cut your crease, and obviously with practice you will become a pro, obviously. So this is how you have to cut your crease. And for this I have used this sugar concealer in the shade cappuccino. Then again I am just blending the edges here. So यहाँ पे मैंने डार्क ब्राउन कोको शेड लिया है हल्का सा, एंड उसको ब्लेंड किया. देन ब्लैक शेड लिया है, ब्लैक एंड ब्राउन शेड को मिक्स किया था एंड अप्लाई किया है. एंड मेक श्योर जो कंसीलर के एजेस है आप उसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करें. एंड इस तरीके से मैं फ्लिक कर रही हूँ ब्लैक एंड ब्राउन शेड को, ठीक है, ताकि एक विंग सा क्रिएट हो जाए एंड बहुत ही अच्छा सा लुक आए. देन नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग दिस ट्रस्ट फंड शेड. आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस. Then next I'm applying this Dubai shade, which is a kind of mehendi kind of shimmer. Then again I'm blending the edges. Make sure everything blends seamlessly. Next I'm applying your eyeliner, a very thin kind of liner. And with the help of this obviously sellotape you can create a very neat and clean wing liner, and this is really very good if you are a beginner. You can try this. And eyeliner I'm using it's from Lakme, so you can see the sharpness. And I will highlight my inner corners and brow bone as well. It's a moon dust shade. Then on my lower lash line, first I'm applying sandalwood shade and I'm going with cocoa shade. Then again I'm blending everything nicely. Then I'm using this Nykaa Kohl Kajal. I will tagline my upper waterline and yes, my lower waterline as well. Next I'm applying this black truffle shade on my lower lash line. Now I will curl my lashes using this eyelash curler and apply some few coats of mascara before applying false eyelashes. It's from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Make sure you apply on both upper and lower lashes. Then for false eyelashes, I'm using this henna lashes in Inaayat and applied some highlighter. Guys, this is my final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe for more and click that bell icon to get notified every time and you will not miss any videos in future. I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye bye.